Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and they want to print it on a blue t-shirt and she said black outline. So that's how I did it and made it a good vector. So, and just for the one I'm doing it for, when you sent me the ball, it was huge. I'm going to make it just with my ratio lock, I'm just going to make it 2 by 2. I still believe that it helps Corel do a better job and save time. I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline, trace clip art. It's going to take just a second because it's such a good drawing. The only problem you're going to see is the shadow. A couple of ways you could get rid of the shadow. We're going to left click, right click, and just get an outline. You could take the virtual segment delete key and delete this line of the shadow, but you're still going to have remnants of nodes. So I would go to object and group and ungroup it. Then you can use the shape tool and you can see the extra nodes that you do not need. And I'm just going to grab those nodes and delete them. That deletes that line. Deletes that line. You know, there's some other cleaning up you could do. Well, like we didn't get those lines. You can just see I can just grab them from a distance. We got it in. Look at the excessive nodes right here. It's not really going to matter. But if you can delete a few nodes without changing the contour of the ball, which I actually did, so I'm going to put them back. Here's a group of nodes, so that's pretty bad. So I am going to use the shape tool, and I'm going to select that one, hold down the shift key and select that one, and then move them up. And what that did, now I can delete these lines. Whoop, went too far. And just to stop the smart fill from linking. And then I would just check all your lines and all your corners. I think we're good to go. I don't know what this is down here. It's just a lot of nodes. Look at that. Not as bad as I thought, but you could delete them. Now, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like, the ball's 3 inches, so I'm going to set it on 2. I'm going to fill that in with a, she asked for a dark outline like black. Now, if we bring in the original ball, we can just, and I do not know if she wants to match the colors, but we can match the colors. So we're going to go to the Smart Fill tool, get our eyedropper, and start filling in these. And when you start filling them in, the Smart Fill screen will disappear. Now, if you want to print this on a blue shirt, you've got to think about the white. And if you're a printer, I'm pretty sure you're going to use CMYK and not RGB. But I'm going to fill in all the white spot with white. So now let's see what it looks like with a blue shirt behind it. I don't know what color blue, but I'm going to use that right there. Object order, back of page. And there's you a vector volleyball. And you can change the colors, change the outline, and do whatever else you want. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.